It is early morning. The new year has begun quietly. The room is filled with soft light. The sky outside is pale blue. The air feels clean and gentle. I stand near the window and watch the day slowly wake up. Everything feels calm. Everything feels new. I take a deep breath. I let the moment stay with me. This morning is not loud. It does not rush me. It feels like a soft beginning. I think about the past year. It was not perfect. Some days were warm and happy. Some days were heavy and slow. There were moments of doubt. There were moments of hope. And all of it made me who I am today. Today feels different. Today feels like a new page. Not a perfect page, just a clean one. I smile gently and move toward my desk. I open my notebook. The pages are blank, white and quiet. Blank pages feel kind. They do not judge me. They do not ask questions. They simply wait. This year, I want to grow slowly. I do not want to rush. I do not want pressure. I want gentle progress. I want honest effort. This year I want to learn English. Not to be perfect, not to impress anyone. I want to learn English to understand more, to express my thoughts, to feel confident when I speak. Sometimes English feels difficult. Sometimes words disappear from my mind. I feel shy. I feel unsure, but I remind myself, learning is allowed to be slow. Mistakes are part of learning. They are not something to fear. Every mistake means I am trying, and trying is enough. So I make a small promise. Every day I will practice a little English. Not for hours, just a few minutes. Small steps every day. In the morning, I read simple sentences. I listen carefully. I repeat softly. I do not rush my voice. I let the words flow naturally. Sometimes I understand everything. Sometimes I understand very little. And that is okay. Understanding grows slowly, like sunlight in the morning. When I go outside, I walk quietly. I notice the world around me. The trees move gently. Birds sit on wires. The sky stretches wide above me. I describe these things in simple English. The sky is blue. The air is cool. I feel calm. These small sentences feel like small victories. Learning English does not need noise. It does not need pressure. It can be peaceful, like this quiet street, like this soft morning. This year, I also want to take care of myself. I want to wake up early, but not too early. Just early enough to feel the morning. I want to drink more water. I want to eat simple food. I want to move my body gently. A slow walk, a deep breath. When my body feels calm, my mind feels open. When my mind feels safe, learning becomes easier. I pause and look around. A cat sits on a wall nearby. It looks relaxed and peaceful. I smile. Life feels simple in this moment. Sometimes I compare myself to others. They speak better English. They learn faster. But this year I choose my own path. I choose my own pace. Everyone starts somewhere. Every confident speaker was once quiet. Every fluent voice once searched for words. This year, I will be kind to myself. When I forget a word, I will not get angry. I will smile and try again. Learning is not a race. It is a journey. And every journey moves at its own speed. In the afternoon, I sit with a warm cup of tea. The steam rises slowly. The room feels peaceful. I listen to simple English audio. I do not force understanding. I listen for sound, for rhythm, for feeling. Little by little meaning appears. Not all at once, but gently. Like dawn turning into day. In the evening, the sky changes color. Orange, pink, soft purple. I watch the sunset quietly. I think about my dreams. I want to speak English with confidence. I want to travel someday. I want to understand stories and people. But today, I do not need to reach the end. I only need to take one small step. This year, I will not give up. Even on slow days, even on tired days, especially on tired days. Some days learning will feel easy. Some days it will feel heavy. But I will continue. Quietly, patiently. I believe in small progress. One new word, one clear sentence, one brave try. That is enough. At night, I open my notebook again. I write one simple sentence in English. Today, I tried. I close the notebook and feel proud. Not because I am perfect, but because I did not stop. The moon is bright in the sky. The world feels calm again. I feel thankful. For this day, for this chance to learn, for this new beginning. This year, I choose growth over fear. I choose patience over pressure. I choose learning over perfection. If you are listening to this and learning like me, you are not alone. We are walking this quiet path together. This year, let us learn slowly. Let us learn calmly. Let us learn honestly. The new year is here, and so are we. Breathing, trying, beginning again. Happy New Year. Let us begin.